Hello everyone. It's good day again. So the last time for my present video, we created a bar chart. So now we will now be creating. We will still use this data to create a line chart. Okay. So we just have to copy this one for me to retain this data from the bar chart. Okay. So we have here the set of data from Toyota, different type of cars, and the sales for the whole year 2020. Okay, so we have to first click the insert, and then we have to choose the line, and we have to choose this line chart. Okay, so and then right click, select data. Just have to highlight all of this one here, and then click OK. There. So you notice we already have here the line chart from the different cars, and just have to edit a little bit of that one to that one. This is nicer, and we have to use the start. We can name this as 2020 car sales. So we indicate here the month, and then what is the here we have here the sales per month. Okay, so what is missing here is the legend. So in order to have the legend here, you have to click the add element chart, and then you look here for the legend. Just have to put the legend up there. You now have the Toyota, which is color blue, and then Nissan is the color orange, Mitsubishi is the gray, and Suzuki is yellow. Okay, so we need to also add other titles for this one. We already have the chart title, and we need to add the primary, and then vertical. So here we'll just have to name this as the month. Okay, and then we had to add this. We will name this sales in pesos. There. Okay, so we now have a complete line chart, a comparison from the four brands of the different cars, and what's its performance for the whole year. So we noticed here on Toyota, it has this greatest sales from the date in January, and then it declines in the month of December. And then on Nissan, it has lower sales in January, but it says peaks on the month of from the start of May. April. April up to December. We can analyze on there. And then on Suzuki, we have this more stable sales, and then also for this is for the Mitsubishi, it is also stable sales, but we can see from here that the trend of the sales Okay, so from there we can analyze what's wrong with those. We can have an analysis on what happened to the year. Why does Toyota have decline in sales in here? And then it's up to us to investigate another data because we only have here this is. So we need to add why does Toyota declines? Why does Mitsubishi has the lowest sales and it's stable? And then here also in Suzuki it is stable. Okay, so this can be copied and then paste on our PowerPoint presentation to show it to our boss or any of these stakeholders in our business. Okay, uh, that is how we we made a line chart out of this data here, and I hope you learned a lot from this tutorial of mine. Thank you very much for watching.